So guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the very amazing video of CA Interlaw. This video is going to be super important announcement video. Very important video, very amazing announcement video for all the students who were waiting for this video, who were waiting for this batch, who were waiting for this revision. As we have got the request from so many of the students that sir, please upload revision lectures in English only. We are from South India, we are South Indian students and we are not able to understand the Hindi language, as we have difficulty in understanding Hindi language and we need the lectures in English only. So you have uploaded the revision lectures in English and that is bit non-manageable. It's not manageable for us. So please upload the revision lectures properly in English, not in English. It's properly in English, only and only in English, so that every South Indian student will be able to understand the lecture in a very well manner. And for that we have fulfilled the request and we are coming up with the revision batch of 100% English lectures for CA Interlaw. Yes, you have heard it right. Yes sir, we are going to upload the revision lectures which are applicable for January 26 attempt also, and they are applicable for the May 26 also. So you can watch the lectures. You can watch the revisions for every chapter of CA Interlaw. You will be getting every chapter for CA Interlaw. And you are also able to access the board notes also. Sir, please tell from where we have to access the board notes. You will be getting the board notes through the Telegram channel, and Telegram channel link is there in the description. You have to join the Telegram channel. You will get all the updates about the lectures, all the updates about the notes, and you will be getting notes like this. You will be getting class notes, the regular batch board notes. You will be getting notes like this, and by the help of these notes and by the help of the lectures what I'm going to upload, you will be able to revise the entire Interlaw in a very beautiful manner. Sir, you will be uploading the lectures for all 15 chapters. Yes, all 15 chapters I am going to upload. And in that revision lecture, I am going to cover each and every topic in a very detailed manner. It is going to be a very detailed revision. You will be able to understand everything. If you have not done anything in the law yet, you will be able to complete the law by that revision lecture. And I'll also be discussing the questions also in that revision lecture. So you will be getting the revision also, a comprehensive revision. Along with that, you will be getting the questions also. So you can check that Hindi revision lectures, English revision lectures are like game-changing lectures and people are actually loving it a lot. So I just want that please share this video with all your friends who are from South India, who want the lectures in English only, and they can watch these lectures. So it is my humble request to everyone who is watching this video that please do share this video with every friend you know who is from South India. Or if you are in any group or if you are somewhere added, then please share this video with that friend, or in that group you can share, so that it will reach to maximum number of students. And we are going to cover every chapter in a detail, and along with that questions also we are going to discuss. Sir, whether you will be taking writing practice lectures also in the English only. Firstly, we are starting with the revision lectures. Then if you will say, if we'll get to see that very good response in that, definitely I'll start with the writing practice lectures also. But yes, please, I request to you that please do join the Telegram channel, because every update and every lecture information, every notes information will be uploaded in the Telegram only. And in these lectures, I am myself going to record the lectures. I will be taking the lectures. These lectures are not going to be dubbed lectures or AI lectures. These are not the AI lectures. I myself will be teaching you in the 100% English and you will be able to learn from me. So just I want to say that language shall never be the barrier in the process of learning. So that is why I have decided that we should take the lectures in the English also. So for this we are going to upload the lectures in the English and you will be able to understand in a very well manner, and your law will be covered very beautifully. You trust on me and definitely entire law will be covered in a very beautiful manner. That too in the English. Right sir. So we are going to upload the lectures very soon, in this week itself only, and all the information will be shared in the Telegram only, right? So you have to like this video, you have to comment on this video, you have to share this video with all your friends of Interlaw, and just connected to the channel, just stay connected to the channel, just stay tuned to the channel. You will get everything for CA Interlaw. Right, sir. So this is all for this video, and see you in the revision lecture. Till then, take care, tada, bye bye, and keep working very, very hard as someone somewhere is waiting for your success. Thank you so much. Take care, tada, bye bye.